A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark decision that could reshape immigration law and executive power, a federal appeals court ruled on Tuesday that the Trump administration's use of the Alien Enemies Act of 1798 to expedite the deportation of alleged members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua is illegal. The Fifth U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, known for its conservative leanings, delivered a 2-1 ruling, siding with immigrant rights advocates who argued that the law was never intended for use against criminal organizations, but rather against foreign invaders. The court's majority opinion, penned by Judges Leslie Southwick and Irma Carrillo Ramirez, emphasized that the historical context of the Alien Enemies Act pertains to wartime scenarios, not the current immigration crisis. A country encouraging its residents and citizens to enter this country illegally is not the modern-day equivalent of sending an armed, organized force to occupy, to disrupt, or to otherwise harm the United States, the judges stated. This ruling comes as the Trump administration has faced increasing scrutiny over its aggressive immigration policies, particularly its characterization of undocumented migrants from Central America as an invasion. The administration invoked the 227-year-old law earlier this year, claiming that Tren de Aragua has ties to the Venezuelan government and poses a significant threat to national security. This led to the deportation of several individuals to a notorious megaprison in El Salvador, where U.S. courts have argued they cannot be released. However, the court found that the administration's assessment did not meet the historical levels of national conflict that Congress envisioned when the law was enacted. The dissenting opinion from Judge Andrew Oldham, a Trump appointee, warned that the majority was overstepping its bounds by questioning the executive branch's authority in matters of foreign affairs and national security. The majority's approach to this case is not only unprecedented, it is contrary to more than 200 years of precedent, Oldham argued. The ruling effectively blocks deportations from states including Texas, Louisiana, and Mississippi, providing a significant victory for immigrant rights advocates. Lee Gellert, an attorney representing the American Civil Liberties Union, hailed the decision as a critical check on the administration's unilateral actions. This is a critically important decision reining in the administration's view that it can simply declare an emergency without any oversight by the courts, he stated. The Alien Enemies Act has been used sparingly throughout American history, with previous applications occurring only during declared wars, including the War of 1812 and both World Wars. As the legal battle continues, the case is expected to escalate to the U.S. Supreme Court, where the final determination on the legality of the Trump administration's actions will be made. The implications of this ruling extend beyond the immediate deportations. It raises fundamental questions about the limits of executive power and the protection of immigrant rights in the United States. As the nation grapples with its immigration policies, this case serves as a reminder of the ongoing tension between national security and individual rights. The Trump administration's strategy of using a wartime law during peacetime has been met with significant backlash, and this ruling marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing debate over immigration reform and executive authority. With the potential for an appeal to the Supreme Court looming, the outcome of this case could set a new precedent for how immigration laws are interpreted and enforced in the future. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.